Welcome to Alphabet Friends TV, where letters come to life. Hello, Alphabet Friends! Today we're learning the letter S, fo. Let's shine with the sun. S says SS, like sun, snake, and star. S is for sun, silo, bright and warm. S is for snake, Dad, hiss hiss, slithering along.
S is for star twinkling in the night.
S is for sandwich, yummy and tasty. S is for seal, purple, playful and smart. S. Sing it with me, S for sun, snake, and star. S is for socks, cozy and warm.
S is for school, where kids learn and play.
Which ones start with S? Yes! Snake and star. S is for sheep, soft and woolly. S is for strawberry, well, sweet and juicy. S is for snowman, cold and fun.
S, S, S. Jump and spin for the letter S.
S is for stack. Sandwiches stacked super high.
S is for spider, spinning silky webs.
S is for sky, big and endless.
S is for skateboard, rolling and fun.
Did you know? Some snakes can glide through the air. S is for soap, clean and bubbly. S is for singer, singing a sweet song. S is for sailboat, sailing across the sea. Look at all our S friends together. S is for super. The letter S shines bright everywhere. Great job learning the letter S. Next time, we'll meet the letter T. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ABC fun.